Hello, my name is Econ, and today I will introduce to you my handmade egg incubator. The egg incubator is used to help increase the chances of hatching eggs. Before I go into further detail, I'll first explain why I decided to create the egg incubator. From birth, I was always interested in nature and animals. I like to play in the woods for long periods of times, often observing different kinds of plants and animals. If I was sometimes lucky, I would find eggs inside nests. My exposure to these wildlife environments encouraged me to have interest in hatching eggs artificially. First of all, I used various Arduino parts for making my egg incubator. I used a LCD display, a fan, a DHT22 module, a relay module, and a stepper motor to create this egg incubator. This is the full code for the egg incubator. Now I'll explain in detail parts of the code. This code imports the header files to use the machines in the incubator. So this is just like the import function in Python. It allows me to use a lot of different codes to code the machines I use when making the egg incubator. Next, we have this code that shows the current temperature and humidity of the incubator onto the Arduino LCD screen. This LCD module lets me see with my own eyes what is going on in the incubator so that I can manage all the settings for the perfect egg hatching environment. And this code turns on the heating lamp using the relay module if the temperature is lower than 37.5 degrees. Eggs hatch the best when they're kept at 37.5 Celsius, so the lamp helps control the temperature in the incubator. This turns on the fan module when the humidity level is lower than 55.1%. Eggs hatch the best for the first 13 days when they're kept at 50 to 60% of humidity, and after 13 days, 75% of humidity is ideal for hatching eggs. So, when the fan is turned on, the water under the fan evaporates quickly due to the wind from the fan above. This makes it possible to control the humidity in the incubator. This code rotates the stepper motor in certain conditions. So, in order for eggs to hatch in perfect condition, they need to be physically turned to prevent the developing chick from sticking to the shell. Also, they must be rotated 4 times a day for the first 13 days, and they must meet touch for the rest of their incubation period. To conclude, this project inspired me in many different ways. Plants too, just like eggs, need a certain amount of heat, water, and light. With the knowledge and skill I learned from this project and using the plant care app that I made, I can create a smart farm in the future. Also, while I was incubating the eggs, I was able to learn a lot of different things. First of all, I was able to get a better sense of understanding of nature and life in general. It was very interesting, and watching eggs grow little by little on the inside was very fun to watch. I knew how eggs hatched, but I never knew the exact process of the egg hatching. This new experience was very enjoyable for me, and I'm looking forward to making a smart farm in the future. Thank you for listening.